Welcome back to TechFX for another Luna price update, and the current price for Luna is at the $57 mark, and the market has been doing very well, and the market at the moment is up by 2.67%, and from the all-time high that we made over here, the market is down by 43%. And what I have on the screen is the daily chart, and from this daily chart there are key supports and resistances that we need to note. The first one is at the $0.35 mark, another one at the $5.1 mark, a key resistance at the $63 mark, and another one at the $86 mark. And the support that we have on the $0.52 mark has been giving us support, and it has provided support for a couple of times. The first one is over here, then over here, and then we broke to the downside of this, and then broke above it once more. And you can also see that we have this descending channel that we have over here, which has been well respected with more than 2 touch points. And the price was once trading within this channel, and then we broke to the upper side. And in this video I'll be giving you my key scenarios that I expect to play out on the Luna chart, and having a technical view of the Elliott wave that we have over here, having my wave 1 to that point, a wave 2, a wave 3, and a wave 4. Then I expect us to have a wave 5 to the downside. I expect us to the wave 5 to unlock even lower prices for Luna. So on the worst case scenario, I expect us to continue having lower prices for Luna in our wave 5, which will take us to around the $36 mark. And once we touch that support over there, we can then bounce back to the upper side and make it to an all-time high. And if that move, which has been brought about by the Elliott wave, does not play out, I expect us to even continue having higher market prices and touch this resistance that we have on the $63 mark, go past that, have a retest of this zone, and once we have a retest, we can even continue having higher prices. And also note that we can go to this resistance that we have on the $63 mark and then get rejected and have a pullback to the downside. So that's also a possible scenario that you can see on this chart. And once we have a retrace to the downside, we can find support on the $51 mark, and then maybe have a pullback to the upper side, a bounce to the upper side, or we can just continue even having lower prices. Also, looking on the volume chart, Luna does not have that high market volume to continue pushing the market to the upper side. So the possible key scenario that I expect to see on this chart for me is this one of the Elliott wave, where we can have even lower prices in the wave 5. So that's my key scenario that I expect to see, and that's not financial advice, so don't buy, hold, or sell any crypto without doing your own research and analysis. So let's be patient and see how the market plays out. I'll keep you updated, and make sure that you don't chase